So whilst I'm still trying to find a really good tempered glass screen protector for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra here, I've gotten myself a TPU Film type screen protector, as in these ones here from LK, and that is just going to give me some form of protection for my screen. So inside this kit from LK, we get a very convenient mat here which we place the phone down on so we don't scratch its cameras when we are applying the screen protector. Then we get two installation kits here, which is going to be the cleaning cloths and stuff. I'll get into this when I open up the actual package. We then also get an applicator for forcing out like bubbles and such, and also for applying the actual screen protector. We get two screen protectors here. We also get two lens protectors. However, I won't be using these because I've got other lens protectors for my phone. We also get this applicator here, which allows you to align the screen protector correctly. And then we get our usual like warranty and instructions. Now, because my recent track record for applying screen protectors isn't very good, what I'm going to do in this video is to explain everything that I'm going to be doing, and then I will do it without any talking. Basically, what I'm going to try and do is to not mess up this particular screen protector. So nonetheless, anyway, what we have at the bottom here are the contents of that cleaning pack. So we've got two dust absorber stickers for removing dust. Then we've got the two wet wipes here for doing the basic clean. And then we also have a drying cloth here. So the first thing that we need to do then is to attach this alignment tool to the USB-C port on the phone. So we just go ahead and pop that into the USB-C port. And what we will see here, if I can get a bit of a close-up, is these bits that like stick up, they do stick up from the screen. Let's see if we get a better shot there. There we go. So these bits here, these are the guides for the actual screen protector, which I will show you in a moment, but just make sure they're sticking up and then that goes in the right way round. Then the next thing to do after this point is to clean the phone. So that obviously means using the wet wipe first, then drying it all off thoroughly with the cloth, and then using the dust absorber sticker to take off any excess dust after you've done the cleaning. And obviously at this point, make sure that you have got very clean hands before you do any of this. And then after thoroughly cleaning the phone's screen, it's then time to apply the screen protector. Now, as we can see here, the screen protector has got these three holes at the bottom there. There we go. Now they line up with the three notches on the applicator down here. So let me just show you this as a close-up. So you simply just like hook them together like that, as we can see. Now try and do as much of this as you can on the mat. I'm just lifting it up for convenience so we can see some stuff. Now what we do at this point, we just align the protector up to the top of the phone here. And obviously what we need to do at this point, let me just bring this back up again. We just need to make sure that that notch in the protector is going around the camera. So we've got a clear, hole straight through to the camera there. Now, once we're happy that we've got that alignment done, what it is, the center part of this protector has got a bit of light adhesive on the back. At this point, we just kind of stick that down to the phone and it keeps it in place. Then after that point, what we need to do is kind of take each side of the protector off, and the way we do that is by using this this kind of like applicator here, and we just hold that down here. We lift up this side of the protector, so this side of the protector will lift up like that, and what it is, it kind of snaps a bit in the middle, and then we then push this forward, and then underneath the protector, the layer that's underneath that isn't the protector then comes apart, and then we kind of push it all forward, and then we'll see a bit underneath be revealed and pop out. Then we just twist it round and then do the same to the other side. That explanation there may not have sounded really good, however you will see exactly what I mean by all this when I do it. So what I'm going to do now is start doing the installation, but I will do this very quietly and I will try not to get it wrong. Okay, so as far as I'm concerned, that went on perfectly. There are no bubbles, it has gone on even, and it is lined up around the camera properly. This is awesome. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to clean off the screen a bit. I have kind of smudged the protector since I put it on and stuff. And then what I will do is switch the phone on and get it close to the camera. Okay, so the first thing to notice here is that the camera alignment has been brilliant. Look at that. There is absolutely no obstruction to the camera. Now, let me just kind of move down the phone here. Hopefully this is all staying in focus for the best part. And as we can clearly see, there are no bubbles or any weirdness with this one. I am absolutely 100% pleased with myself about this one. I mean, I needed a win after the last couple of screen protectors that I've put on. And this one is definitely a win for Dave. Look at that. That is absolutely fantastic. Now, for the best part there, you probably can't even notice that there's any kind of screen protector on it. Then, of course, because this is one of those TPU styled ones, it fits right around the edge of the phone there. And as we can see, that is all great. Hopefully I've got the focus right here. But as we should be able to see, right around the edges is absolutely brilliant here. Now, obviously what I've done, I've took a little bit of time at the end of applying it to make sure that I smoothed out everything towards the edges there as well. So what I've done, as you've probably seen, well, actually I didn't use the cleaning cloth, although you could use the cleaning cloth actually, might be a bit better, just to run it right down the edges like this. So once you've actually applied it, just kind of smooth it off around the edges with the cleaning cloth. That could be the better option actually, rather than using that applicator thing. And as you can see, yeah, I mean, do you know what? I'll just carry on talking all day long if I don't shut up now, because I'm absolutely 100% pleased with what I've just done. And just to finish off, I have now put the phone inside one of my cases, and this one is by Nilkin, and this is a really cool case, and I will show you this in a minute when I turn it round. But before I do that, as we can see here, this screen protector has not impeded anything to do with putting a case on. So this is awesome. But also on top of that, watch this. So if I go for me fingerprint scanner here, watch. Boom, straight in. Look at that. Let me go back again. Straight in. So even without having to rescan my prints, having put this screen protector on, it has not impeded with the phone's ability to read my fingerprints. Now, the reason why this is all very special for me now is because this particular case here has got built-in protection for the lenses. So if you have a look there, my lenses are totally protected because this case has this sliding protection mechanism on the back. So right now, the rear of my phone is protected really well as the lenses, and obviously now I have got some form of protection on the front. Okay, so that should do it for this video. I know this one was a little bit longer than what it maybe ought to have been. However, hopefully I have shown thoroughly exactly how to apply this screen protector, and it did go on dead well. So hopefully this video has been useful to people, and if it has been useful to you, then please consider giving the video a thumbs up, also subscribing to my channel and getting all over that bell notification icon. And as ever, there will be links in the video description below taking you to Amazon to where you can buy anything that I've used in this video.